Ecosystems, remember, is a delicate balance between the living or biotic or abiotic factors. They all play a relationship with one another. As we see in the carbon cycle, there is a couple factors that come into play. Remember, plants give off O2, which is oxygen, to animals. Animals in return take that oxygen and give off CO2, which is carbon dioxide. That carbon dioxide is then received by the plants and the cycle continues. Remember that plants get eaten by animals. Everything is in balance between abiotic and biotic relationships. In reflection, animals need food, water, and shelter and space to survive. Animals can survive without one of these, but as resources become scarce or habitats become not available, animals have a couple of choices, either to move to another area where resources are plentiful, or in few instances, just like humans did, started to adapt to the surroundings and survive. As we look at the ecosystem, there's also elements in our habitats. When we look over here, what would happen to you if you didn't have one of these? Food, shelter, space, or water. That's a question that animals have to deal with every day. The other thing is, what would you do to survive these conditions? The answer to that question would either be you'd move, find shelter, fight for the space that is available, starve, die, or even try to move somewhere else that had all these available for once. As animals learn to adapt to their surroundings, what would you do to survive these conditions? Well, the principle still remains in every biology textbook and every environmental science textbook. The strongest will survive. And write this down. The strongest will survive. As animals and humans have learned through thousands of years, we must adapt to our surroundings or die.